Assalamu alaikum student, and the next question of finite integration. Integrate with respect to x 1 divided by x square plus 9 and from 0 to 3. So this is a finite integral question. So let's start the first integrate of this question. 0 to 3, this is 1 over x square plus 9. So 9 is a square of 3. That's one. And all of you know about this type of integration, and according to the law, according to the formula of integration 1 over x square plus a square equal to the tan inverse of x over a 1 over a. So according to this formula, you can apply this formula. Tan inverse of x over 3 and also 1 over 3, and limit is 3 and lower limit is 0. So 1 over 3 is a constant, and then simply put the limit and find the final result. 1 over 3 as it is, tan inverse, first apply the upper limit minus tan inverse lower limit 0 over 3. 1 over 3 as it is. 3 divided by 3 means 1, and tan inverse 1. And here tan inverse 0 divided by 3 means 0. And all of you know about tan inverse 1. What is meant by tan inverse 1? Means 45 degree. Tan inverse 1 means 45 degree, which is equal to pi over 4 radian, and minus tan inverse 0 is equal to 0, and 1 by 3 apply this one, pi by 4, and final result pi over 12. Okay, so student, this is the very simple and easy question. I hope you understand this question and you know about this formula. This is the very most important formula of tan inverse integration. Okay, if you like this lecture, please like and subscribe my channel for upcoming new videos. Thank you for watching. Take care.